Hey everyone, I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. I'm just going to show you some of the beads I got. Some of them came from Walmart, some of them Hobby Lobby, and I might got a few from Michael's. I'm just showing you what I got just in case you want to pick some up. Now these beads here, they came from Walmart. It's just like a variety pack of glass beads. And these are another pack of the same beads, but I just put them in a container. I should also mention that some of the beads I got offline, like these right here. I got these off Amazon, I think, and they came in a variety pack. So you can find these on Amazon. These are like those clay colorful beads that come in all different colors. They're really popular right now. I've been seeing them all over TikTok and YouTube. But I decided I'll pick me some up and I plan on making something with them. These are some E-bead glass beads. They come in, I think it's 100 grams on here, 3 by 5 ounces. This is the bulk pack. I like those because you get a lot and they're somewhat the same size, so they're good for making beaded keychains and things like that. Like I said, these e-beads are a great price and great in quality. You can't get enough black beads, so I always get 2 packs. Don't sleep on Walmart because sometimes Walmart has some good deals on some beads. If you do beading every day or you do it as a craft, this is a good way to get you a good amount of beads. Most of the beads you see right here are the bead treasure. I think I got these from Hobby Lobby, so when they have the half off sale, I usually go ahead and get a good amount of those at one time. These are pretty to me because it's like kind of like the fused glass. It's got the light blue and then the little specks of yellow and orange in the middle. I really like these. I think it'll stand out in a bracelet or a necklace or something. When I'm shopping for beads, I never want to pay full price for anything. So I'm always looking for some deal, sale, anywhere I can find it. I thought these were pretty as well. That purple, kind of like a splatter paint. The black and the purple and white, I think it makes a Really good combination. This one has a lot of green and blue and kind of brownish earth tones. I really love stuff like that. It's just so beautiful. All the beads leading up to this one were from Hobby Lobby, but these are from Michael's, I want to say. And I really should have probably got more when I got to the register. It says $2, and they turned out to be $1. And these are, I think, Michael's as well. I be liking beads like this, but I look at some of these people and they have these beads that they find and they're buying them wholesale. I can't never find me any beads like that, for a reasonable price and the shipping and everything. But sometimes I want to find me some beads where you can buy them wholesale and stuff like that. But pretty much the only time I find me a good selection of beads is when I'm buying them on sale like I'm doing now, and I just get quite a few of them. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all can find beads wholesale somewhere. And if you can, please tell me which ones and where y'all find them at, because I sure would like to know. Can you believe that? $3. They were $7.99, and I scoped these for like $3. I think that's a really good price for those. This was another great deal from $12.99 to $5. And I really like this color of the bead. It's more like a earth tone type bead. Kind of remind me of the solar system, really. I really like those beads. I can't wait to make something with them. Okay, I'm coming up on the last couple of beads, so if you like this bead haul, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't be a stranger around here. I love hearing from y'all. Thank you for checking out my channel.